Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect ForeFlight to your G1000 system. First, make sure your G1000 is fully powered on and ready for operation. Next, confirm that your ForeFlight application on your iPad or iPhone is completely up to date. Finally, double-check that Bluetooth is enabled on your mobile device, as this is crucial for establishing a seamless wireless connection between the two systems. These initial steps are vital for a smooth setup process. Now, let's configure your G1000 for wireless communication. On your G1000's multifunction display, navigate to the AUX page. From there, you'll need to select the Connect or Flight Stream option, depending on your specific G1000 model. Once you're in that menu, enable Bluetooth broadcasting. This action makes your G1000 discoverable to your ForeFlight device, allowing for the next step in our connection process. With your G1000 broadcasting, it's time to connect using ForeFlight. Open your ForeFlight application and tap on the Devices menu, usually found at the bottom. You should see your G1000's flight stream device appear in the list of available connections. Select it, and then carefully confirm that the pairing code displayed on both your G1000 and your ForeFlight device matches exactly. This ensures a secure and correct connection. Once paired, it's essential to verify that data is flowing correctly. In ForeFlight, look for your aircraft's GPS position and attitude data to be displayed accurately. Also, confirm that any flight plan entered on one device, such as your G1000, automatically synchronizes to the other, like ForeFlight. With this successful connection, you'll gain significantly enhanced situational awareness and a more streamlined cockpit experience during your flights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.